I think this news tells you that the economy is picking up, and I think we'll see that in the next 3 to 6 months out. But also, you don't want to chase a lot of these names up at all-time highs or recent highs.
It's been incredible. I mean, just about 3 weeks ago, the upside buying we'd seen in Delta as well as...
Upside, like how far and how far out?
Well, it already has performed. They were just going out to June options, and those already went from $1 to $5. I mean, that gives you a little idea of the explosive move we've seen in some of these areas.
Look, I think you're right. They are sitting on the sidelines, and that's why we've had these very narrow ranges. We've had the US 10-year yield has popped up from under 260 last week to around 262, 263 today. That's given some support for the dollar on Friday and into the opening of the market today. But we'd be a little bit reluctant to be a strong buyer of dollars at these levels. We think we're still in these same ranges. And when we look at what's happening in the US economy and what's happened with the US Treasury notes, we have to remember that the first quarter was very, very weak. We need a strong second quarter, perhaps in the range of around 5%, just to get back on track with this idea that the economy grows at 2.5%. We think that's one thing that the market is not pricing very well at the moment, that even though we're getting strong numbers now, it's only a payback to the weak numbers in Q1. So we hesitate to what we caution to get too bulled up on the dollar at these levels.